Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mothers have practically built themselves. Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Welcome to the Kit Hoarder Stash. Today I have an oldie but a goodie. I know from my experience many years ago looking up a kit, running across this kit online, back then it was a lot of money. So this was part of that group of 6 kits that I recently got from MRS. Really good deal on them. And a couple of them were nice old kits, and here's one of them. That's definitely a classic. From 1976, according to the copyright, we have the Black Magic Vega funny car. And a bunch of guys from, I think they're from the local group, just looking at the names. The local car club, model car club has signed it, including Toyman himself, Toyman Television himself, Dale Angel, right here on the side of the box. How about that? So here's this side looks like. Now this is a Vega funny car, and it's got that old chassis style. My understanding is that you can get these decals reissued, which is great because these decals are shot. That's why I got this at a real good deal. So let's take a look at it. So 76, this wouldn't be a repop. This is your original plastic, and there's no flash. And here you go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Vega funny car body. Oh, yeah. House of Greenie's Black Magic. I remember seeing a version of the Black Magic run at the old Bonneville Raceways when I was in high school. So yeah, here's the decals. Looks like they've been coated over, but they're still pretty much non-salvageable. But anyway, there's the decals that are in it. You can see the back of this has just had it, so definitely some water damage at some point in time. 1976 copyright though. Building the Hemi. The chassis, rear end, wheels, tires, all that fun stuff. Putting it in the chassis and then decorating your body. Making some lines for the chute if you want to do that. It's even got a prop to prop the body up, so cool. Lots of chrome on these. For those of you who built these back in the day, yeah, a lot of scraping of chrome. Bell housing, rear end, bug catcher, linkages. Probably gonna strip. I'm probably gonna strip 90% of this chrome and redo it. More chrome. Oh, seriously? Is there really this much chrome? Or I guess I got extra parts here. Hey, that's kind of cool. Because I thought there's 2 different bell housings, 2 different bug catchers here. Here's some more. This one actually says Black Magic, so this definitely belongs to the kit. Huh. It's more valve covers, blower parts, other pieces parts. fun thing about getting these used kits sometimes is you'll get, sometimes you'll be missing a few parts, and sometimes you'll get a whole bunch more parts than you expected. So that's always a nice thing. Another differential and a steering wheel. So yeah, some extra parts that are going to be real handy. Man, this is just full of chrome tree. Centerline wheels, another front end, another bug catcher, another blower. Wow. Couple fire extinguishers. This is a parts bargain here. Holy smoke. At least I got a really good body. And here's the interior piece for it. Here is the seat. And I actually have two frames that came in this. That to me, this is a good score. Wheelie bars, roll bar, wheel backs. Here's the glass, and it's in good shape. Now, lots of pieces parts, but the headers are here. The rear centerline wheels are here, both of them. And check out these tires. These are my favorite kind of slicks for these. That's going to be awesome. Let's see what else we got. Here's the prop. It's like a spoiler for the Vega body. Engine block. Lenco transmissions in here. Here's your front little pizza cutters. There, one piece. That's awesome. That's a bonus. Parts for the blower. So yeah, there's one complete kit plus a bunch of extra parts in here, which is going to be just awesome for me. Wow. Brakes, everything. Yeah, it's I've got enough, like I said, to build one complete and then have extra parts for other projects. So I love that. And some guys just pass up these deals because it's, you know, the decals aren't good, or you know, somebody's taking it out of the plastic wrap or whatever, and okay, that's fine. The guy who was selling this originally had it marked at $60, but because of that, nobody was willing to pay that for it. And then I pick it up as a great addition to this this deal that I made with MRS. So there was 6 kits, 6 boxes. One box had some Ford small block engines, good ones too, from like the AMT Mustang, really good ones, and some extra chrome parts, which was really nice. So that was one box I got for free. So then there were 5 boxes. So you've got this Vega. We had the SVO, the A-Team, the Monroe Matic Mustang, and that maybe see it behind me there, the Chevelle wagon, were part of this group. So yeah, pretty decent score, I think, for $50. So all right, well, thank you for joining us today, and we will see you again soon on The Stash.